Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Tricky World. So in today's video, today we will be looking at one of the DAX function which we use in order to create tables or maybe calculate tables. So yep, the function is CalculateTable. The syntax is quite similar, like we use simple calculate function for calculating measures. Syntax is quite similar, only difference we will be calculating tables with the function CalculateTable. So here we have already one table on the screen where we have date, region, name, item, units, unit cost. So let's say there is a requirement that we do not need entire table. There are certain filters which we need to apply, and then the final outcome we need as a table. So for that purpose we can use CalculateTable. So there is an option here. I will create a new table. So here I will put, let's say, CT CalculateTable. I will put the syntax is prompting. It's first prompting table. We have only one table in the database. Report, I will type it out. Second, it's asking filter. So filter we can give any, maybe let's say region is equal to let's say North America, and I will close the, so a new table will get calculated. There is a no data, I guess some mismatch in the spell. Let me cross check. East America instead of North, so I will put here East. So only data pertains to East America. A new table will get calculated where we will have data specifically to East America, and we can use this table for our further reference for calculating further more complex data model. So that is a use case of CalculateTable, how we use in order to calculate. So for creating new tables there are certain functions. For example, CalculateTable, there is a summarize function which is a very important function which we can use in order to create a new table after summarizing the values which we have. Same way we have select columns, we can select specific columns from a table. So there are a lot of functions which are there in DAX we can use in order to create a new customized table as per our requirement. So that's for today's. Thanks for watching Tricky World.